The LEAP Award, as many of you know, is meant to do a shout out to the organization who's shown that they can learn, excel, advance, and progress. Past winners, many of them in the room: Legacy, Parrish, Mission, Northwestern, Aurora, and then CGH. So really exciting. In Northwestern, for those of you in Chicago, it's Northwestern in Vermont, and you're going to have to keep working. The background on the organization that won is an organization that has significant scale. So they have 60 hospitals. They operate in 3 countries. They have many of the challenges you've had or are having. They have many of the needs that you have. They have driven major improvements in really 4 areas. In data reliability, it doesn't matter if you can't trust it. As Tushar said, if it's not accurate, you don't need to keep going. Their costing process has changed dramatically, 96% reduction in the time and resources required. You can see the number of time studies they've done. The change in how they do their reporting has been massive, an enormous increase in the efficiency, and they've had financial impacts all throughout their organization. There's an example below just in terms of their savings in their cardiology program. But before I bring them up, I wanted to just share one story that they shared as part of their 10-page application. In case you want to know what it takes to win, take note of that. And that story is this, and I think it's a pretty simple story, but a really high-impact story and one that you should share. What they did is they compared the supply cost of 2 doctors, and what they found out there was a $10 variance between these 2 doctors, right? So you would stop there normally. They didn't. They went deeper, and they found out that one doctor was using a stapler that was $300 more, while the other physician was using staples that were cheaper. They shared this information. The doctors both agreed to make the change, more expensive to the least expensive in both cases. As a result, they decreased the cost per case by $600 just by sharing the information. So the reaction of the physicians, incredible. They were really pleased. They said, do this across everything we're doing. And then they shared that story with all of the other physicians who also are requesting similar analytics. This is the story of how change gets made. It's by taking action. It's about engaging at a micro level to make changes at the macro level. And when you're an organization like CHRISTUS Health, that impact could be huge. So the 2018 LEAP Award, bring them up, CHRISTUS Health. And we've been working with CHRISTUS now for, is it 20 years, Kim?
I think so.
Okay, 20 years. So I'll hand this to to Kim, my partner in crime there, and we'll get a picture together. And let's give it up for CHRISTUS Health. How about 4 more? No, I'm just kidding. So let me grab this. You guys stay up here just for a second. Why don't you hand that to me if you can? But in closing, all of you could or should be up here in the future. These guys are great inspiration for that. Tonight we'll all be celebrating at the Strata Jazz Piano Bar with our friend over there. Here you go. Give it up. And there's a song we're writing together, and that song really is about helping to heal healthcare. A lot of you come to visit us, and you know the tradition. We always take a picture of you in front of our Help Heal Healthcare wall. And that was actually our first certification class. I'm really proud of that group. So once again, this is all about lifting each other up, and we'll be doing that tonight in song and celebration tonight at the piano bar. So with that, one more time, big thank you to the team at CHRISTUS, a big thank you to all of you guys. And we look forward to a great summit. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats. Congratulations.